been given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be in a...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back in the kitchen again, showing you how I prepare my cabbage and my chicken all mixed together. And these are my ingredients: my purple onion, some garlic, red sweet pepper, yellow sweet pepper, and some thyme and some scallion and some garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper. And this is my all-purpose season, and when I use this season you don't have to use any salt, so I'm not going to use any salt, guys. I'm going to put my cabbage right here in my bowl. And I already put my season on my chicken already, so I'm just going to put a little baby tip on my cabbage and a little herb, so I sprinkle over it, and I put some thyme in, just a little bit natural herb. Here is my chicken breast. I already put some browning on my all-purpose. So what I'm going to do now is to fry it. Start to fry with a little bit of coconut oil. Just a little tip. Yeah. I started to fry my chicken breast, but I realized the pot was too small. I have to change the pot. But I start fry my chicken breast with a little bit of coconut oil, and then I just let it fry for 5 minutes, and then I add my cabbage, and my cabbage steam for 10 minutes. I'm just adding my cabbage and my seasoning, and just gonna let this fry for 10 minutes. Guys, please subscribe, share, comment, and give this video a big thumbs up, and big up on yourself, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.